Hi, so tonight we're going to be making some grilled chicken in my grill pan. Uh, I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I personally prefer the breast, but my wife likes the thighs and I don't mind the thighs. Now, I got these at Whole Foods and they were basically 6 of them for $10. I'm sure you could get them cheaper, but I happen to have been in Whole Foods, and they're raised without antibiotics and vegetarian diet. I usually get grass-fed, but this was what they had. I guess vegetarian diet is the next best thing. So I got my grill pan already heating up. I'll give it just a little bit of olive oil. We're going to have some zucchini squash, and I'm going to put into the steamer. And I bought some Ray's no sugar added barbecue sauce, which for 2 tablespoons has 15 calories, and I won't be using a lot, just a little bit at the end for some flavor. So I'm going to put these into the grill pan. So pretty much I'm thinking 6 pieces for $10. Probably only eat 1 piece. 1 piece has about 170 calories, 25 grams of protein. So it's not too bad, even if I was still hungry and had 2 pieces for 340 calories, that's not too bad. And the vegetables have very, very little calories. So I'm not worried about that. I've already got the bottom part of my steamer in the microwave, and I'm going to add the main part with the vegetables. Top on good. Put that on for about 3 minutes, plus I'll be letting it sit there for just a little bit. So we'll just cook these about 4 minutes per side. And then at the very end, we'll put on some of the barbecue sauce. I have my little brush here to brush it all on. And that's pretty simple. Again, I'm trying to focus some on a little bit less expensive than what some of the fresh fish is, only because one of my subscribers asked me to. So I like to do what you guys ask for. I'm going to flip these again. I just want to get these going a little bit so that I could put some barbecue sauce on them. You have to make sure the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Make this nice and smooth. We'll put some more on the other side when I go to flip it. And who knows, I might flip it yet one more time. Put the cover on it so that it cooks a little bit quicker. And if you find these at all helpful, or you just find them anywhere near enjoyable or anything like that, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. It really does help. If there's anything that you want me to make, or like I said, one of the subscribers wanted me to go for something a little less expensive, just put it in the comments, message me, whatever. I will be more than happy to accommodate you, because I'm doing this for you guys. And I do appreciate all of you people watching. And I'm up to 540 subscribers, and hopefully I'll get a lot more of you guys coming soon. So we'll give this another minute, and then we'll flip them again. Like I said, this is small stuff, so it doesn't take too long to make. The breasts are a little bit quicker, but again, I'm not real picky. Excuse me. When I was growing up, I used to eat a lot of dark meat, and when I got a little bit older, I tried the chicken breast because everybody said they're better, and I really liked them, but I really have no problem with dark meat. I do prefer, if I am going to have the dark meat, to have it boneless and skinless. Yeah, I'm just going to need a few more minutes on each side, but I'm just going to try to get it well enough so that you guys get the idea. And a little bit more barbecue sauce. Yeah, put a lot of barbecue sauce on, what could I say? Like I said, I'm probably only going to eat one piece, so not a big deal. Sometimes I'll just literally throw a bowl in the microwave for 2 minutes or so, get some water boiling, take it out, and literally just put the chicken in it for like 2 minutes just so that it doesn't have to cook so long on the grill. But like I said, this is pretty thin and pretty quick, so I didn't find that all that necessary this time. So again, I'm going to probably cook this about 2 minutes on this side, maybe 3 minutes on the other side. And as always, I will use a picture of the meal as the thumbnail. And hope you guys have a great evening. We're going to enjoy our grilled chicken and zucchini squash. Again, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make anything else.